Hi everyone, my name is Sweety. Some time ago, I shopped from Itsy Bitsy and I purchased these awesome goodies. In this video, let me show you what I got. First, I have this beautiful pastel pink color, chalk paint. This is a very modern color. The label is upside down, but it does not affect the product inside. So, no problem, I guess. Itsy Bitsy has an amazing range of handmade flowers. All of the flowers are so pretty. Itsy Bitsy always has some or the other offer going on these flowers. I went ahead and got so many of these. I always like to buy white flowers because you can turn them into any color that you want. Finally, I also got pink colored sheets. Pink is any crafter's favorite color, or at least it is mine. I think these papers are just gorgeous. They have all shades of pink, and all of them are just such pretty colors. The texture of these papers is linen-like and it makes it feel more rich. Next, I bought this jewel pack by DCWV. All of these papers have crystals. This is a quick flip through of this pack. I thought I'll show you how you can create a quick and easy tag using the materials I just showed you. So let's choose our paper first. I think this rose paper is my favorite sheet amongst all the sheets that I got. I'm just going to die cut a small tag. This particular paper will be my background for the tag. Repetitive design like the rose here help push the design more in the background. This way your elements, whatever you decide to use as focal points, will stand out better. Now let's matte it on a contrasting shade of color. Also this particular paper is a little thin, so matting it will provide the strength that it needs while making the backside of the tag more neat. The green here, it will give my light pink tag a nice contrast. You'll see me hand cut this tag out. You can use a coordinating bigger tag die if you have it. I don't have it, and cutting this was not such a big problem. These are just straight lines. Also, I do not have that particular die in size, so why not hand cut it? Now let's choose our flowers. I love the light pink color flowers that you see on your screen on the left side, but these are very light colors and I want something very dark and contrasting, so I choose the reddish ones. Arrange them in whatever way you like. Don't be afraid to chop off the leaves if you think they'll fit better that way. And finally, glue them all. I'm using glue dots here. A lot of people like to use glue gun. Glue gun is also a great idea because no matter what you do, you'll be able to stick it properly. Glue gun also adds a lot of dimension. But Fevicol was handy at this time and I decided to use Fevicol and it works just fine. But yes, you need to leave the project alone for some time. You should always play around with the embellishments that you want to put on your tag. That way you know which arrangements will work better than the others and what you like more. You basically give yourself a lot of choices to choose from. Anyways, so any tag is incomplete without adding a sentiment. So here you can see me cutting out a sentiment from the paper pack itself. Next, I'm going to punch a hole and set this pretty eyelet by VR Memory Keepers. These eyelets are some of my most precious things ever. They're very pretty and they add richness to any project. Next, I'm going to foam mount this really cute sentiment, and it goes really well together with the rest of the color pattern on this tag. Lastly, I'm going to add ribbon and finish this off. There are so many ways to add the ribbon there. You can tie a bow there, you can tie a knot, but I'll show you another way. I'm just going to pull the ribbon inside and then tie this ribbon using gold zari thread. This gold zari thread was bought from an embroidery store from a local shop. This has been a friend ever since I bought it. I've used it in so many projects and the roll is so long that it still feels like a new roll. Tying up a knot took some effort because I didn't want any loose ends. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more crafty content.